If you are thinking beyond quick wins and building generational wealth, land banking isn't optional, it is essential. Buy right, buy early, and hold strategically. Welcome to Richland Gardens Estate, strategically located along 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖🔄 Express, located at 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖🔄 precisely just by International Brewery right here in Ogun State, Nigeria. Ogun State, Nigeria. And like I always say, when it comes to real estate investment opportunity, location is everything. This property is located in the midst of the major landmarks here in Ogun State. And also, if you are traveling to anywhere in this country, you can easily connect to anywhere you are traveling to in this nation, Nigeria. Going back like this, we connect to 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖🔄, very close by. And from interchange, which is very close by to where this estate is located, you can easily connect to, 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖𝒄, going to 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖𝒄, going to 𝒦𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒐, Delta State, and the likes, going to Abuja and the likes. And from interchange, you can connect to going to Ibadan, right? And from interchange, you can connect going back to Lagos State. It's very, very strategic here in Ogun State. And like I said, it's close by to International Brewery right here, and close by to Nestle Company, close at interchange over there, and also 𝑰𝑿𝑻𝑹𝑨 Company and other great industrial hub right here in Ogun State. And for the smart investors in diaspora and Nigeria that have been waiting for this time to invest in real estate because of the 30 December and the December special promo, right? So this is best time for you to take advantage of this Richland Garden to invest right there, because we have special package on this property right now. And before I go further, I want to really appreciate our client that have invested right here at Richland Gardens. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. A few weeks ago, we came here to allocate our client right at Richland Gardens Estate, and they were so excited and satisfied with what they saw right at Richland Gardens Estate. And look at the land. The land is 100% dry land and just off 𝒁𝒑𝒻 Expressway, and that's the International Brewery that you are looking at over there. Beautiful location to really behold right here in Ogun State. This property is less than 1 hour drive from 𝑰𝒏𝒄𝒍𝒖𝒄 in Lagos State, Nigeria, and also close by to Redemption City, Christopher University, and other beautiful schools and hospitals here in Ogun State. This property comes with a beautiful title, registered survey, and the C-of-O number is out. So you can ask for the coordinate to go and do your search at 𝒁𝒑𝒄𝒍𝒖𝒄 to be very, very sure that you are buying a peace of mind. You are not buying a committed land here in Ogun State. And before we bring any property to your table, we always make sure that we do our own due diligence as well, right? So because we don't want to sell anything that will put us into trouble. That's why we make sure that we have a selected property that we are selling, a property that has a genuine title and that's free from any form of encumbrances or any form of demolition, both in Lagos State and Ogun State and outside Ogun State generally, right? A plot is going for 5.5 million for 600 square meter. But guess what? Because of this December promo now, it's going for 4.7 million naira, all inclusive, not like hidden charges. And we have commercial plots available for sale right here as well. With 1 million, I can secure a plot right here, and with 3 million, I can secure an acre before price increase or everything sold out. So please don't miss this great investment opportunity right here at Richland Gardens Estate. For more information inquiry, give me a call right now, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notification so that I will be the first to notify whenever I come to this great investment opportunity here in Ogun State, Lagos State, and Nigeria at large. Thank you.